my new video. As you saw the last video, it was about probability and statistics. Now, today we're going to talk about programming and AI. And as you can see on my screen, there is an environment. We call any area where we write codes an environment. So I'll start with a very good example and a basic example. As you can see, the good thing now is most of you can go online on this link, onlinegtb.com. I know some people struggle with downloading of Python programs and editors and applications. So I've made it simple for you to by sharing this link in this video that you can go straight on and then select the language. In this case, it's Python. So I select Python. You'll find number of other languages as well, which we'll touch in our later videos. Let's talk about Python now. So we all know what AI is nowadays, and the important and significant role it's playing in the society and this new era with surplus of technology. Now, the most important thing is that so we know how it works. It's not that difficult. That's why I'm here to give you an interesting insight into AI and its application. So it's linked with actually IT, as we all know, and programming, mostly with Python and C++ languages and stuff. So we have a example here. Now most of us, we drive, and at some stage or some point in life we do get fines which we hate, but let's see how it works and how instructions are stored in for a radar and how it's programmed to detect fines for you. I mean, most people would be sitting there wondering, it's such a complex process, but it's not actually. You can do it as well. You can, for the radar, in a very simple way, you can set a speed limit above range and low range, high range, low range, and get a fine value in terms of the currency of the respected country you are living in. Anyways, let's see. So question is, printing fines is a scenario we have for overspeeding vehicles for a given range of speed values for the radar. Now, first step in programming is you define the input. In our case, it's speed. That's done by equal to int, then bracket, input bracket, inverted comma, speed, colon, and these are syntaxes you got to use. So you got to practice this. You'll get a more insight into it when you practice yourself. Now I define the range 80 to 100. This is a very simple way of writing the range. Now this is where I'm giving a condition. If the speed in the center is 80 to 100, so I'll print a fine of 300. Now else if another conditional statement comes into play in coding, that is, else if speed is greater than or equal to 100, print fine is equals to 680. We don't want that, of course. And else, that's the best and the ideal scenario, no fine. If it's, let's say, below 80, not crossing 100, so it's gonna be no fine. So that's what we want. Let's test that now. Now, as you can see, I'll just run it straight away, and it's gonna ask me for speed, as you see in this black environment area. So what I do is I test it with 90, and I get a fine of 300, which is very easily tested. You see, though I don't want that fine, but this is how radar works. Flashes, if it goes beyond that defined range. See, these words are very important in the AI world. Now, let us also test another thing, and also you have to press enter to exit this and try again. So I press enter, exit, then I again run it. This time I'm going to test for above 100, 110. So it's going to press enter. I get a fine of 600. That's not what I want, of course, but it's successful, you see. So I want to get a double fine, of course, but see, this is how the range are defined and how you get fines calculated through a radar. Now the best scenario, let's test that one. So I have to again press enter. There we go. So I hit the run icon, and then I enter 80. And yay, congratulations, no fine. So that is what I wanted. So as you saw, it was very simple. Please do try it. Give some comments in the comment area after watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you like it. Do forward the video. It's very informative, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a lovely day.